Have you heard about my course From Crying to Signing to Talking? Well, guess what? This course is great for therapists too. I know a lot of you therapists have been watching my YouTube. Thanks so much. Now, you could use this information, especially if you're new to early intervention or you're looking for a different program than what's already out there. As well, if you're looking for how do I actually teach the parents, right? Because it's one thing to learn how to work with a child in school and another thing to know how to actually explain things to parents. So listen in to a SLP who gives her testimonial on my course. Stay tuned for that promo code.
Hi, I'm a speech pathologist from Taiwan, and I've just finished a course of From Crying to Signing to Talking by Kayla, and I have to say I really love what I've learned from the course, so I like to share with you my feedbacks. The first thing I love about the course is I think it covers one of the most challenging topics for a new speech pathologist, which is me. That is how to turn a nonverbal kid into a verbal one. So I think it's always beneficial for me to learn more about how a more experienced speech pathologist tackles this issue. And the second thing I love about the course is it covers a whole series of therapeutic techniques. So it's no longer a piece of information from YouTube or a piece of information from Facebook, but it's a whole picture. So if something goes wrong, something didn't work out, it's easy for you to go back and check what step you may miss, and what may go wrong. So it's really cool. And the third thing I love about the course is it's very inspirational. So in the course, Kayla shared a lot of tools that she used, such as toys and songs and activities and even iPads. And they're all come with explanation on how and when and why to use them. So follow that rationale. You can come up with your own ideas on how to help your client. And most of the tools paired with demonstration clips. So in the clips, you can see the real interaction between Kayla and her client, so you can know how the tool is really used in therapy. So, as I said, I really love the course, so I strongly recommend it to the parents who are speech pathologists who are in search of ideas to help your kids from crying to signing to talking. Bye.
So don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link. Use the promo code 10YouTube for 10% off. Thanks guys, and I'll see you again another time.